Live in the present is a popular mantra often advocated for personal growth and mindfulness. It encourages individuals to focus on the here and now rather than the dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. While this advice seems straightforward, there are several misconceptions and overlooked accepts regarding living in the present. In this video, we will know deeper into the topic, reveal common myth, and highlighting the true power of living in the present. So, topic number 1, understanding the concept. Living in the present doesn't to apply completely disregarding the past or the future. It is about finding a balance and learning from past experiences while maintaining a proactive the present moment. We can develop gratitude, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. So now second topic is mindfulness practices. Mindfulness, often associated with living in the present, involves purposefully directing our attention to the present moment without judgment. We will explore various mindfulness practices such as a meditation, deep breathing exercises, and sensory awareness techniques. This practice helps us develop a heightened sense of awareness, enabling us to fully engage with our surroundings. So now the third topic is breaking from overthinking. One of the biggest obstacles to living in the present is the tendency to overthink. We will discuss the detrimental effects of overthinking, including increased anxiety, reduced productivity, and impaired decision making. By focusing on the present moment, we can break free from the cycle of overthinking and enjoy a more fulfilling life. Now, fourth topic is embarrassing mindful habits. Living in the present extends beyond specific practices. It involves adopting mindful habits in our daily lives. We will explore practical strategies like conscious eating, active listening, and embarrassing nature. These habits foster a deeper connection with ourselves, others, and the environment, leading to greater satisfaction and happiness. And the fifth topic is escaping the trap of past and future. Our mind have a tendency to wander, often dwelling on past regrets or anxiously anticipating future events. We'll discuss how living in the present helps break from heat trap and cultivate a deeper sense of contentment. So now the last topic is embracing opportunities and personal growth. By living in the present, we become more open to new experience and opportunities. We will explore how embracing the now enable us to seize the moment, take calculated risk, and step outside our control zone, leading to personal growth, self-discovery, and a more fulfilling life. So remember, the present moment is a gift, and the choices we make in a present shape our future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more thought provoking content. Stay present and stay empowered.